Hi everyone, I'm here with another round on skill development. Let me talk about what three things you should never do when you are using a scale. The first one is just blindly copy pasting. Whenever you are trying to use an established scale, just do not blindly rely on all the items that a particular researcher has used in their own field, in their own context, in their own sample. You have to take your own diligence while using them. Okay, you have to do most probably some pilot survey or some exploratory factor analysis to make sure that that questionnaire, the items in that questionnaire or in that survey or in that scale is actually compatible to your context. Second thing, do not go ahead with double barreled items. Now what does that mean? If I ask you that, do you feel motivated and happy in your workplace? What will be the answer? Let's say the respondent is happy but do not feel motivated. But there are certain respondents who do feel motivated but are not happy with the context or with the job profile. Then what will be the answer? It will be an ambiguous answer, which will not put you into better place to measure something. So always go ahead with single barrel item like, do you feel motivated, or I do feel motivated, or I am motivated at my workplace, like that. And the third and the most important thing is, do not skip expert review. Expert reviews give you critical understanding of what each and every item means and whether it means the same to every respondent. It shouldn't be vague and it shouldn't be subjective that it means different to different people. Like, what is your income? If you talk about income, it can be monthly, it can be quarterly, it can be weekly, it can be, after tax, before tax, annual tax, other income tax, and all that. So you have to consider all those points. Happy researching.